Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today, we are going to read The Making of a Scientist, written by Robert W. Peterson. This is from the book Footprints Without Feet, and this is Module 3. Dear students, till now we read A Bride's Mother bought him a children's book called The Travels of Monarch 10. The book told how monarch butterflies migrated to Central America. It opened the world of science to the eager collector. Now let's read further. At the end of the book, readers were invited to help study butterfly migrations. They were asked to tag butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick of University of Toronto, Canada. A bride's mother wrote to doctor, and soon a bride was attaching light adhesive tags to the wings of monarch. Anyone who found a tagged butterfly was asked to send the tag to Dr. Eckwart. The butterfly collecting season around reading lists 6 weeks in late summer. If you are going to chase them one by one, you won't catch very many. So the next step for a bride was to raise a flock of butterflies. He would catch a female monarch, take her egg, and raise them in his basement through their life cycle. From egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterfly, then he would tag the butterfly's wings and let them go. For several years, his basement was home to thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. As you know, the book invited readers to help study butterfly migrations. He would catch a female monarch, take her eggs, and raise them in his basement through their life cycle. So, this was his eagerness, his curiosity for butterflies. Eventually, I began to lose interest in tagging butterflies. It stayed years and there is not much feedback. A bright said. In all the time I did it, he laughed. Only 2 butterflies I tagged were recaptured, and they were not more than 75 miles from where I lived. So, in that manner, he started losing his interest in tagging butterflies. Now, here are some questions that you are to answer. What lesson does a bride learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? When Richard did not find any position, he got a hint of what real science was. He entered the county science fair. He didn't win any prize and lost, while everybody else had won something. His entry was slide of frog tissues. He showed it under a microscope. He realized that winners had tried to do real experiments, not make a pure display or show. So, this was the important lesson that he learned from this failure. What experiments and projects does he then undertake? After that, Richard Abride many suggestions he got from Dr. Acquard for experiment. For his eighth grade project, Abride tried to find the cause of a viral disease that killed nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. The next year, his science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterfly copy monarch butterfly. So, in that manner, he took many projects after that. What are the qualities that go into the making of a scientist? There are many qualities that go into the making of a good scientist. First of all, he has scientific temperament. He became a great scientist because he was competitive, received ideas and suggestions from everywhere. He had a first rate mind and was second in his class of 1510 in Harvard. He had curiosity to know the why and how of things. Finally, he had will to win. So that's all for today. We will meet soon in our next module. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.